Hey guys, today we're just going to fix the latch for the fuel filler. This is the old one. There's a couple of little tabs on here that normally sit in here which have broken off, so I'm going to throw this new one on. So this will apply to all the D3s, D4s, etc. Little kit DA1114. As you can see, the old unit has broken the little tabs off, so that one can go in the bin. Little this rubber boot just sits on here. It can only go on one way, so you can't really stuff this up. That's pretty much it. So this part on the latch can only go one way. There's you can see the shape matches in there, so and that just clips in place. Done. I don't know how much you'll be able to see here, but there's a little blade here, and at the top there's like a little latch. So if you push that up, you can pull the blade straight out. Just like that. So yeah, just up on top here, there's a little plastic latch that holds that in, so fat bit of the pin to the bottom, this can only go back in one way. So just inside that latch there's this little piece. So there's a little spring that sits behind this latch. So new parts just slide in. It can go either way. Doesn't really matter. And you just push that in until it clicks in place.